regularly until 2020. They have a demo.
It's crowd stretching right up. In its 4 years, that will be the longest 4 years. That will be the longest 4 years. That will be the longest. Full of bugs. Be silent. Actually, MP. Actually, year. Now, of course, let's not forget it.
59. The quarter bells, which we heard. The quarter bells, which we heard just. The quarter bells.
And head back to the Kitchen Awards.
Has Big Ben fallen silent for it's appropriate time before major work begins. A short time ago, only till the end of the year, and then it can start up again regularly.
Bongs need to serve it for future generations. For future.
Of course, is that we've got scaffolding up the tower
From
working on the scaffolding. It can't be working in close proximity to belts, which
This is our public duty of care.
What's up?
This is our public
150-year hit remain silent. So it's going to look like they've just come out of their office. Suggestion is